talk about how can you manage your markets on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on markets. So when you click on markets, it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you. So then here can you manage your markets when you just click here on your active markets here, and here can you manage here language and domains here. So if you want to add here, add language here. So and here can you manage product in pricing and this is and import taxes and shipping. Here can you choose or manage in here payment in taxes. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.